Is it time to buy or sell Google stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Google. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 9th of October, 2024, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analyses. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 19th of September, 2024, our system has categorized Google as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of 0.27. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time. The stock has experienced natural fluctuations and is currently showing a loss of 0.11% since our initial hold or accumulate recommendation. This equates to an average daily loss of 0.01%, since it was classified as hold or accumulate. The stock currently resides in the midst of a broad and declining trend in the short term, indicating that further decreases within this trend are likely. The existing 3-month trend foresees a potential decline of approximately 10.63% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from a decline of 21.9% to a decrease of 5.64%. In terms of the 12-month trend, it points to a change of 29.13% over the next year, with potential returns between 21.63% and 61.89%. This translates to a price range of $198.32 to $263.97 after a year. Our latest daily update for Google features the headline, "Evaluation of Google stock downgraded after the last trading session." The Google stock price experienced a decline of 1.59% during the last trading day, which was Wednesday, the 9th of October, 2024, dropping from $165.70 to $163.06. Throughout the day, the stock fluctuated by 3.18%, with a low of $161.12 and a high of $166.24. The stock has risen in 6 out of the last 10 days, showing a slight increase of 0.04% over the past 2 weeks. On the last trading day, trading volume increased by 8 million shares, although this occurred alongside falling prices, which may signal a potential risk factor in the coming days. In total, 20 million shares changed hands for approximately $3.2 billion. Looking back over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached $193.30, while the lowest was $121.46. Currently, the price sits at 15.64%, or $30.24, below the 52-week high, and 93.55%, or $2,363.93, beneath the all-time high of $2,526.99, recorded on June 11, 2021. The stock of Alphabet, trading under the symbol GOOG, experienced a decline today, closing at $160.95, down 2.09%. This drop is largely attributed to the United States Department of Justice's proposal for potential remedies, including breaking up Google's search business, which was labeled as monopolistic by a federal judge in August. The Department of Justice's consideration of a breakup poses significant threats to Google's operational structure and overall business model, impacting investor confidence. Furthermore, Google is contending with mounting antitrust challenges, including a court order to open its App Store to competitors. These developments may lead to significant operational changes, particularly if the breakup materializes, disrupting not only its search function, but also other segments, such as YouTube and cloud services. In the short term, investor sentiment may remain shaky as uncertainty looms over Google's future. The company's response to these challenges and any potential negotiations with the Department of Justice will be closely scrutinized. Over the long term, while a breakup could unlock value by allowing individual segments to thrive independently, it also risks diluting Google's brand equity and market influence. Thus, how this situation unfolds will be critical for stakeholders watching Goog's performance in the wake of these regulatory pressures. Analyst ratings. On Monday, the 7th of October, 2024, it was reported that UBS assigned a neutral rating to GOOG, recommending a hold action. On Tuesday, the 1st of October, 2024, Pivotal Research assigned a buy rating to GOOG, marking it as an initialize action. On Wednesday, the 25th of September, 2024, Oppenheimer rated GOOG as outperform, also recommending a hold action. On Wednesday, the 18th of September, 2024, Cowen & Company rated GOOG as buy, suggesting a hold action. On Wednesday, the 24th of July, 2024, Oppenheimer once again rated GOOG as outperform with a hold recommendation. Analysts have assigned a general buy rating to Google stock. They categorize the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell and the price-to-book ratio also as strong sell. When it comes to return on investment, the analysts have rated the stock as a strong buy. The following signals have been identified for Google. The Google stock is currently indicating a sell signal based on the short-term moving average. However, there is a contrasting buy signal emerging from the long-term average. Given that the short-term average is above the long-term average, there is an overall buy signal for the stock, suggesting a positive outlook. Should the stock experience further gains, it may encounter resistance around $166.38, as indicated by the short-term moving average. Conversely, if the stock declines, it is likely to find support near $162.26 from the long-term average. A breakout above the short-term average would trigger a buy signal, while a drop below the long-term average would signal a sell. A buy signal was generated from a pivot bottom point on Monday, the 9th of September, 2024, and since then, the stock has risen by 9.04%. Further increases are anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Additionally, a buy signal has been noted from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. However, some negative signals have also been observed, which could impact short-term developments. Notably, trading volume increased while prices decreased yesterday, signaling a potential early warning. It may be prudent to monitor the stock more closely moving forward. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal 23 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 22 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 4 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 16 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 13 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal 2 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal 49 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 41 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Google. Google finds support from accumulated volume at $160.64. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction is expected when the support is tested. The stock typically exhibits average movements throughout the day, and with sufficient trading volume, the risk is regarded as medium. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by $5.12, indicating a change of 3.18%. In the last week, the stock experienced an average daily volatility of 2.17%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Google, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. This is a relatively normal PE ratio, often seen in businesses with long track records or predictable revenues. In other news, the next earnings report for the third quarter of 2024 is expected on the 22nd of October, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates are at $1.83. Keep an eye on these figures as they can greatly impact stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Google. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Google is at $164.64. If you do not currently own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could represent an opportunity for swing trading. On the downside, Google meets its first support level at $160.64. If this support level is maintained, it could serve as a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Google from various analyst sources is a recommendation to buy. The most recent insider trade for this stock occurred more than 3 months ago. The latest transaction took place on the 17th of June, 2024, when R. Martin Chavez conducted an insider purchase of 5 shares of Class C Google stock units. Our recommended stop loss is set at $155.50, which represents a decline of 4.64%. This stock experiences medium daily fluctuations, indicating a medium level of risk. Additionally, there is a buy signal triggered by a pivot bottom identified 22 days ago. Is Google stock a good buy? Google exhibits several positive indicators. However, we believe these alone are insufficient to classify it as a buy candidate at this time. Currently, it is more appropriate to view Google as a hold candidate, suggesting that investors may want to maintain or accumulate their position while waiting for further developments. Given some minor weaknesses in the technical outlook, we have revised our assessment of this stock since the previous analysis, changing it from a buy to a hold or accumulate recommendation. After examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price appears to be undervalued. Looking ahead to trading on Thursday, the 10th of October, we anticipate that Google will open at approximately 413.10 and begin trading around $163.47. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money. It is advisable to consult a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment decisions should not rely solely on information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at StockInvest.